Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here with another awesome video. Now today we're going to look at the 4 common types of credit. Okay. Now it is extremely important that you make your payments on time. Okay. As you are rebuilding your credit, you need to make sure that payments are made on time. And the reason that is your payment history is a large percent of your credit score. Actually, it's the largest percent of your credit score. So it's extremely important that as you rebuild your credit that you make those payments on time. Now, the first type of credit that we would like to look at is what is called revolving lines of credit. Now, a revolving line of credit is you have a payment that's due the same day of the month. However, the amount that you pay is different. It changes from month to month. An example of this form of credit is a credit card. All right. Then number two, charge cards. Now, a charge card is different from a credit card. A charge card, you must pay the balance in full each month. With a charge card, you cannot run a balance each month. It must be paid in full each month. This is different from a credit card. An example of a charge card would be an American Express. Installment loans, number 3. Now, an installment loan, you have the same payment due each month, and it is due for a certain time frame. An example of this would be an auto loan. You have an auto loan, most auto loans 4 or 5 years, and you have the same amount that's due each month. That's an example of an installment credit. And then the last form of credit that we would like to look at is what is called a non-installment or service credit. Now, a service credit, an example of this would be a cell phone or a utilities. You're paying for a particular service each month. The amount of the service for the most part is the same amount. It is due the same day of the month each month. And if you fail to make payment, then the services that you have contracted for would be halted. You will no longer have access to the service. Okay, so these are the 4 examples of the 4 different types of credits that you can use. Now remember, success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. You must take massive action every day. You must have a PMA, positive mental attitude. A great example of a PMA would be, I am designed for great things. I am more than a conqueror. All things work together for my good. These are some examples of a PMA, positive mental attitude. Then you must also get yourself a good mind movie. I can do this. Everything I set my hands forth shall prosper. For I am blessed coming in and I am blessed going out. You got to see yourself doing it. All right. Now let me speak this blessing over you. May the Lord's favor be upon you and for 1,000 generations to come, and your family and your children's and their children's and their children. And may the Lord also continue to enlarge our territory. This has been James. Have a great week. Take care now.